Hello, this is a question related to Fourier transform. We have to find out the Fourier transform of signal e to the power minus at ut and plot its magnitude and phase spectrum. So it is given that signal is xt is equal to e to the power minus at ut, where ut is unit step signal, and we know that Fourier transform of signal xt is given as x omega is equal to infinitive to minus infinitive e to the power minus at ut uh, uh, e to the power minus at ut. The given signal Fourier transform of signal is x omega is equal to infinitive to minus infinitive xt e to the power minus j omega t dt. So it will be, in place of xt we will put e to the power minus at ut and e to the power minus j omega t dt. And we know that unit step signal is of magnitude 1 from t is equal to 0 onwards, and ut is 1 when t is equal to or greater than 0 and is equal to 0 otherwise if t is less than 0. So because it is 0 when t is less than 0, so we can take the limit of integration from 0 to infinitive, and magnitude of ut is 1. So it will be ut will 1 e to the power minus at e to the power minus j omega t dt. So it can be written as x omega is equal to 0 to infinitive e to the power minus t in bracket a plus j omega dt. So it will be e to the power minus t into a plus j omega divided by minus a plus j omega. It is limits of integration infinitive to 0. So it can be written as x omega is equal to, when we put t is equal to infinitive, it term will be 0. On putting t is equal to 0, it will be 0 minus 1 upon a plus j omega. So it is 1 upon a plus j omega, means Fourier transform of given signal e to the power minus at ut is Fourier transform of the signal is 1 upon a plus j omega. Now we will obtain its magnitude and phase spectrum. Magnitude and phase spectrum we will try to obtain magnitude and phase spectrum. So its magnitude will be x omega is equal to 1 upon a plus j omega. Will multiply numerator and denominator by complex conjugate, so e to the power a minus j omega divided by a minus j omega. So it will be a minus j omega divided by a square minus j square omega square. So it will be a minus j omega divided by a square plus omega square. So it will be a divided by a square plus omega square minus j into omega divided by a square plus omega square. So its magnitude will be x omega will be under root के अंदर a upon a square plus omega square का whole square plus omega divided by a square plus omega square का whole square. So it will be a square plus omega square का whole a square plus omega square divided by a square plus omega square divided by, this is a square plus omega square divided by a square plus omega square का whole square under root. So it is 1 upon under root a square plus omega square, and its magnitude will be x omega will be tan inverse minus omega divided by a square plus omega square divided by a divided by a square plus omega square. So it will be tan inverse minus omega divided by a. Tan inverse it will be tan inverse uh, minus tan inverse omega by a. So now we'll plot magnitude and phase spectrum. Magnitude spectrum. So it will be, so magnitude spectrum, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So on x-axis we will plot x omega magnitude, and on by axis x omega, and on either x-axis here omega. In equation 1, when omega is equal to 0, then its magnitude will be maximum. When omega is equal to 0, then its magnitude will be maximum, and it will be, on putting omega is equal to 0 in this equation, it will be 1 upon a. So it will be 1 upon a, and as omega frequency increases, it will be, as omega frequency increases, it will decrease, and it will decrease further as the value of omega increases in positive and negative size. So it will be in this way. When omega increases, value of x omega will, Fourier transform will decrease. So this is its magnitude spectrum. This is 0, this is 1 upon a, 0, 1 upon, and now we will plot phase spectrum. This is phase spectrum. Here it is minus pi by 2, it is pi by 2. This is angle x omega, this is omega. Now as the value of omega increases, from omega reaches 90 degree, this is 90 degree, plus 90, and this is minus 90. As the value of omega increases plus pi by 2, when omega increases, omega approaches plus pi by 2, it will approach to, plots will be in this way. When angle is these plots will be in this. This is phase spectrum. Thank you.